I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Hey, but you don't owe me anything, but still you show me ample grace. Love you give, nothing else can replace. Only you could satisfy, you gave me a new taste. Cause what good is it to gain the world but lose your soul? Anything I love more, it's gotta go. Since in Matthew 10, I gotta lose my life to find it. So I put the past behind me. If you took all that I had, I still wouldn't complain. Cause Lord, you are my everything. You are more than enough for me. You do more than supply my needs. I get to know you as a father, I know you as a king. I get to call you Abba, the most high Elohim. You are more than enough for me. You are my ever-present help. I can feel your presence everywhere. I need you more than life, more than I breathe the air. Long as I got you, I don't need nothing else. If you took all that I had, I still wouldn't complain. Cause Lord, you are my everything. You are more than enough for me. You do more than supply my needs. I get to know you as a father, I know you as a king. I get to call you Abba, the most high Elohim. You are more than enough for me. I get to know you as a father, I know you as a king. I get to call you Abba, the most high Elohim. You are more than enough for me. My house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. And there's only broken. I hear the stars singing your praise, calling you out, saying your name. No, it's no doubt, God made no mistake. You are chosen for beautiful things. Don't get caught up in comparison. Keep it original like you've been. This is the time to be all you can. Give yourself another hand. Take all the pressures up off your head. Every blessing is heaven sent. You are chosen for beautiful things. Would you hold my hand? Walk with me, footprints in the sand. 'Cause I know I should be feeling. Some days I'm deep in my feelings, but then I